Hi, welcome back friends. So in this video, we are going to find out whether the given number is a perfect number or not. So this playlist is completely belongs to 100 interview questions to crack the interview in data science, in artificial intelligence, in Python programming. So you are going to get the high end questions which you are going to face in the each round of the interviews. So first we'll find out first we'll understand what is a perfect number. So perfect number means the sum of the divisibles, say BLES. So the sum of the divisibles of a given number is same or not. What is the meaning of it? Same or not. So let's try to understand and then let's go to the Python code. Suppose if I'm taking a number called A is equals to 8. A is equals to 8. So don't calculate 8 itself because 8 itself will be calculated. I mean, 8 itself will be multiplied. So I'm not going to go with the number itself. So from 1 to 7, from the 1 till 7, please find out what are the numbers that are going to divisible by 8. So 1 into 8 will be divisible and 2 into 4 will be divisible. And we can say 4 into 2 will be divisible. Irrespective of these numbers, remaining numbers are not going to multiply, not divisible. We can say it as a multiply. Okay, it is not going to be matched with the given number. So 1, 2, and 4. So 1 8s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 4 2s are 8. So 1 plus 2 plus 4. What is the value? 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. 3 plus 4 is nothing but 7. So we have taken the number 8, but the result is 7. Both are not matching. So we can say 8 is not a perfect number. 8 is not a perfect number. It is not satisfying the condition. So the perfect number is nothing but 6. 6. So 1 is going to satisfy, 2 is going to satisfy, 3 is going to satisfy. 1 into 6, 1 into 6, 2 into 3, 3 into 2. Yes, this 3 will be multiplied perfectly with the 6. So calculate. I told you don't calculate with given number itself. 6 into 6 ones are 6. You should not calculate with the given number. The previous numbers. Suppose if you take 9, calculate from 1 to 8. Like that. Okay. So 1 into 6. So 1 is satisfying. Here 2 is satisfying. Here 3 is satisfying. 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. 3 plus 3 is nothing but 6. So we are getting the, after doing the summation, I mean, after adding the divisibles, we are getting 6 and the given number is 6. Both are matching. So it is a perfect number. That's what the statement means. Sum of the divisibles, whatever the things that are divisible perfectly of a given number is same or not. So I'm going to write a Python code perfectly. Very simple, but we'll crack the logic. We'll take a number, a variable. Number is equals to 6. Okay. I'm going to take a number. Number is equals to 6. Now what I'm going to do is, since I want to check with each and every number from value 1 to 5. So for I in range of 1 to 6, n minus 1 category, for loop follows n minus 1 step. So I'm going to take till 6. So initially in the first iteration, I value will be 1. In the first iteration, I value will be 1. So I'm going to come inside. And what I'm going to do, if the given number, if the number 6, if it is mod division with I, if it is double equals to 0, if it is double equals to 0 means what I'm going to do is count equals to count plus 1. Count equals to count plus 1. I'm going to take a variable called count equals to 0. Count equals to 0. What does it mean? What does it mean? Let me explain it very clearly. So, first of all, first iteration, I value will be 1 in the total 5 iterations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 iterations. I think from 1 to 5, yes, 5 iterations. So in the first iteration, I value will be 1. So if number 6 mod of 1, we'll check the log. 1, 6, 1, 6 is 6, remainder is 0. Yes, 1 satisfies the condition. Why? Because here we are going to get the answer 0 double equal to 0, condition true. 0 double equal to 0, condition true. Yes, 1. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add that particular value. So count is nothing but 0. If you see, count is 0. 0 plus, I should not write here 1, sorry. I should write here I. So what is going to do? 0 plus I. I is nothing but, in the present loop, I is nothing but 1. So count value has been updated. From 0, count value has been updated to 1. So count value will be 1 now. Next, in the next iteration, now count I am writing here very clearly, count value from 0 it is updated to 1. In the next iteration, I value will be 2. Come inside, number, it's nothing but 2 mod of 2 double equal to 0. 2, 6, 2, 3 is 6, remainder 0, condition satisfied. Yes or no? Condition satisfied. 0 double equal to 0. We are getting, if we do the math calculation here, we are getting 0. 0 double equal, condition true. Again come inside. This is the main logic. Count plus 1. What is the count? 1. 1 plus what is the I? I is nothing but 2. So count value has been updated. 1 has been updated to 3. Next, in the next iteration, come inside. If number, yes, in the next iteration, I value will be 3. So 6 percentile by 3 double equal to 0. So obviously 3, 6, 3 2 is 6, remainder 0, condition true. Come inside, count value is 3 plus I is 3. 3 plus 3, the count has been updated to 6. Next iteration, the I value will be 4. So 4 will not satisfy the condition. So 4 mod of I double equal to 0. I is nothing but 4. In the present iteration, I is 4. I is 4 and the given number is 6. So 4, 6, 4 ones are 4, remainder is 2. So 2 double equal to 0, condition false. So it will not go inside the if condition. Even for the 5 also same. It will not go into the if condition. So finally my count is, what is my count value? My count value is 6. Now I am going to write a condition saying that if the given number, whatever the number I am giving, the given number is equals to the count, then it is a perfect number. It is a perfect number, or else it is not a perfect number. It is not a perfect number. Simple. So obviously 6 and the count both will be matching at the end. So it will be a perfect number. If you just change 6 to 8, it is not a perfect number. Beautiful, right? So this is how we are going to calculate the given number is an even number or odd numbers. Okay. So yeah, this is the logic, guys. Hope you understand the entire perfect number logic. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the Vihara Tech. And if you just want to travel or transform your career into artificial intelligence or the data science or AWS DevOps, so please enroll our courses. It is very much costless and you're going to work under paid internship program from the real world use cases. Okay, so catch you there. Thank you. Bye.